If you're serious about smooth, stable shots, you need the right monopod. In today's video, we're checking out the best monopods of 2025, from ultra-tall carbon fiber beasts to motorized sliders that'll level up your camera game. Let's dive in. First up, we've got the three-legged thing Punks Trent 2.0, and if there's one word to describe it, it's beastly. Built from magnesium alloy, this monopod is not only lightweight, but also strong enough to handle up to 66 pounds of gear. That's right, it can hold your heavy telephoto lenses, gimbals, or even a cinema camera without breaking a sweat. It extends up to 79 inches, giving you extra reach for those high-angle shots or event photography. Plus, you can even convert it into a boom pole or use it as a microphone stand, which makes it incredibly versatile. The new Trent 2.0 version also includes improved twist locks that are smoother and faster to use, perfect for those quick setup moments. And with its rugged design and non-slip rubber foot, it's built to last. Want a durable, professional-grade monopod that handles anything you throw at it? Check the description for the three-legged thing Punks Trent 2.0 link. Next up is the Benro MSDP46C Supadupa, a name that sounds as fun as it is functional. This carbon fiber monopod is 72 inches tall, but folds down compactly, great for travel photographers who need lightweight gear that doesn't sacrifice stability. The standout feature here is its waterproof twist locks, which seal out dust, sand, and moisture, perfect for wildlife or sports shooters working in unpredictable conditions. The spiked foot ensures firm ground grip, and the CNC machined aluminum flip lock gives it a premium, reliable feel. The Supadupa is also remarkably light, around 1.7 pounds, making it ideal for long shoots or hiking trips. Despite that, it supports a payload of up to 88 pounds, which is insane for its weight. In short, this monopod is made for photographers who demand premium quality without adding bulk to their kit. If you're an outdoor shooter or travel videographer, hit the link in the description to check out the Benro Supadupa MSDP46C. Now this next one is something special. The MOZA Slypod Pro isn't just a monopod, it's a motorized camera slider and monopod in one. Made from carbon fiber, it's light but powerful with a vertical payload capacity of 13 pounds and the ability to extend up to 54 inches. The real magic? It's motorized, which means you can get automated, perfectly smooth push-in, and pull-out shots for professional-looking motion footage. Pair it with the MOZA app, and you can control speed, direction, and motion. Time-lapse, making it an incredible tool for solo content creators, wedding videographers, and studio shooters alike. It even comes with a tripod base and pan-tilt head, so you can use it as a complete filming system right out of the box. If you want precision, automation, and portability in one sleek setup, the Slypod Pro is unmatched. Want to bring motion control to your shoots? Check the description for the MOZA Slypod Pro link and take your videos to cinematic levels. Now, let's talk about something for the pros, the three-legged thing Legends Lance Super Kit. This one is built for photographers and videographers who demand both reach and reliability. Crafted entirely from carbon fiber, it's feather light, but can extend to a jaw-dropping 9 feet, that's 108 inches. So whether you're filming in a crowd, capturing live sports, or shooting events, this gives you that towering perspective without a ladder. It also comes as a super kit, which means you get additional accessories like a tripod base and quick release mount for flexible shooting angles. The design is pure craftsmanship, sleek, grippy locks, vibration damping, and rugged durability for any environment. It's overkill for casual vloggers, but a dream for professionals who shoot in dynamic and high-pressure conditions. Want to shoot like a pro with the tallest, toughest monopod around? Check out the three-legged thing Legends Lance Super Kit via the link in the description. Finally, we've got the Vanguard VEO 2SCM264TR, which might just be the most feature-packed monopod in this lineup. Made of carbon fiber, it's incredibly light, yet rock solid. The big highlight here is the built-in foldable tripod base, giving you tripod-like stability when you need it, but still maintaining the portability of a monopod. It even comes with a Bluetooth remote, so you can trigger your camera or smartphone without touching it. And yes, it includes a smartphone holder, meaning it's just as great for mobile creators as it is for DSLR or mirrorless users. The twist locks are smooth, the ergonomics are spot on, and it can extend up to 64 inches. It's that perfect middle ground ideal for YouTubers, vloggers, and hybrid shooters who want one tool that does it all. If versatility is what you're after, the Vanguard VEO 2SCM264TR is the one. Grab it using the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of the best monopods of 2025, from pro-grade carbon builds to motorized sliders that do it all. Which one are you adding to your setup? Let me know below and check the description for all the links.